Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in Canva. So I'm just going to type in solo because I need the O. I think I'm just going to do actually 4 because I need that O. So I'm just going to select a font here. Go to the image, edit image, and select background remover first. And I'm also going to change the font color to maybe like this purple. And I'm also going to change the background to this yellow. I'm just trying to adjust this, so hold on for a sec here. Okay. Copy and paste your image and align it with the first one. Then you're just going to delete the part here. And I'm just going to place this up a little bit so it doesn't look super weird here. You can kind of blend it in just a little bit more and crop it out a little here. And that's pretty much it really. That's how you can create this really cool effect in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Let me just change this color. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!